Why does your scanner show the P2209 engine code? What does it mean? P2209 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor heater sense circuit range or performance bank 1. This engine code indicates that your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an abnormal reading from the nitrogen oxide NOx sensor in the exhaust system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor. Wiring and connector issues. Exhaust leaks. PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F Super Duty models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.